Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi Tutorials. So today in this video we'll see one more problem of solving the Python certification example problem here. So here is the site edv.org where we have to complete the course first, then we have to go for certification. So I am trying to solve this example certification problems so that it will be useful for everybody. So here is saying that uh, is giving the time here, starting time, then he is giving the duration. This is the starting time, this is duration, and we have to print the end time. Okay, so basically he wants to test our arithmetical expressions capability, how we'll write the arithmetic expressions so that we'll get the output. Okay, so first one is here hours time, and second one is the minutes, and third one is the duration. So we have to put the end time. We have to print the end time. Okay, so let's write the code here, right? So first we'll say total minutes we will calculate. So this is minutes and this is duration also in the minutes, right? So that we can calculate the total minutes. Okay, so what is total minutes? Total underscore minute, total underscore minute equal to means plus duration, right? So this is our total minutes. Okay, then how we calculate end hours? Final end time hours equal to, right? So hour plus, then we have to calculate hours in the total minutes, right? So total underscore minute, we have to do the double slash operation by 60 so that we'll get the hours, right? We'll get the hours as a quotient. So, and excluding the decimal part. So we'll get the hours. So hour plus hours, we'll get the end hours, right? And how we calculate end minutes? End underscore minutes equal to total minutes percentage 60, so that we'll get the minutes, right? once you uh, once you divide it by 60. Okay, so whatever will get the remainder, that will be your minutes which are less than 60. Okay, okay guys, then we'll print the output time now. Print and time, okay, equal to, in this format we have to print, right? So first comes hours. Okay, so let's say end underscore hours, right? Then this colon symbol, then minutes. Okay, end underscore minutes, right? So let's try our code and see the output. Okay, first we'll run for this sample input and check the output. Okay, so first is hours, right? Hours is 12, then minutes is 17, and duration is 59. So output is 13 colon 16. So it is correct. Our code is correct. Okay. Then try for a second thing. Hours is 23 and minutes is 58 and duration is 642. Oh, we got here 34, but here it is telling 10. Okay. So we have to subtract 24, right? So hours should be less than 24, right? So we have to do one more operation here, that is percentage operation, okay, with 24, so that we'll get 10 here. Okay, remainder will be 10. If you divided 34 by 24, then quotient will be 1 and remainder will be 10. Okay, guys, so let's try the input again. Run this 23, 58, 642, then 1040. Okay, guys, so like that we have to write our code. Okay, one more input we'll try here, the last one. So here it is 0 or 1 2939, right? So we got 1 colon 0, so which is correct. So our code is correct. So like this we have to write the expressions. Okay, this expression and percentage expression and where we have to use these expressions, we have to thoroughly understand and do in the exam. Okay, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyanu Tutorials for more such certification videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.